Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration video for Dazuma's cloud-shaped ceiling light, a modern white iron light fixture. The package includes 2 screw accessory packs, including screws and screw anchors, 1 product instruction manual, 1 Dazuma cloud-shaped ceiling light, a modern white iron light fixture. Step 1. Loosen the 4 fixing screws on the product mounting plate at the top of the product, but do not remove them. Step 2. Slide the rail, align it with the slot, and remove the product mounting plate. Step 3. Place the product mounting plate where you plan to install the product. Mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 4. Install the 4 screw anchors from the screw accessory pack into the 4 holes one by one. Step 5. Align the product mounting plate with the 4 screw anchors and place it in position. Then use an electric drill to install the 4 screws from the screw accessory packed one by one. Step 6. Connect the product's power wires to your own press-type quick wire connectors. Step 7. Align the slots at the top of the product with the fixing screws on the product mounting plate, then slide the product into place. Step 8. Retighten the 4 fixing screws on the product mounting plate that were loosened in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.